Hi friends! Today, we will see how to make a floating text effect for banner in BannerBoo. First, let's make a vector blank for further animation using Photopea. Go to Photopea, click New Project, set the width to 2000 and the height to 1000 pixels, and click Create. Select the rectangle tool and apply it to the entire canvas. Now we go to the layers and turn it off. Select the text tool and write our text several times with equal intervals. Now, using the Ctrl-Alt-T key combination, we transform our text and make it bigger. Press Enter to confirm the transformation. Now right-click on the layer with the text and select Convert to Shape. Turn on our rectangle and select these two layers with the Shift key held down. Right-click and select Merge Layers. Great! Now choose a tool, path select and click on the corner of our rectangle. Now in the menu opposite our outline, select Exclude. Change fill color to black. Now double-click on the lock on the background layer to unlock it and delete it. Cool! Click File, Export As. We choose SVG. In the window, we check that there was no check mark on Add Raster Graphics. And press Save. Now let's go to BannerBoo SVG Animator and create a new project. Let's upload our SVG, go to File, Import SVG, and choose the path where our file is located. Great! Now let's change our project settings. Set the width and height to 1000 pixels and change the name. Do not forget to confirm all our changes. Now let's increase the size of our image a little. Let's use the Draw Square tool to draw a rectangle. We need this to make it easier to align our animation later. Click on the rectangle and change the stroke color to a lighter one. Now, let's bring the working area closer to the border of S and the rectangle. Select the layer with the words and pull it close to the rectangle. Now click on the plus in the left parameter to create a keyframe. Drag the cursor on the timeline for 6 seconds. Let's move our layer to the next repetition of the word. The next frame will be created automatically. You can drag a layer with the mouse or by using arrows on the keyboard. Excellent! Now, delete the rectangle by pressing the Delete key. Select a layer on the timeline. By double-clicking on the keyframe, we check whether in the easing parameter set linear. Super! We save our project. To export, click File, Export SVG. Select Infinity as the repeat parameters and click Download. Let's go to BannerBoo and create a new banner. Now, we go to the library of video files. In the search field, we write Fashion and choose the video we need. Stretch the video on the timeline to 10 seconds. In and out of animations are reduced as much as possible. Now go to the Downloads library and click Upload your own assets. Select our file and click Open. We add it to the banner. Rotate it and transform. We also stretch the layer on the timeline for 10 seconds. Now, let's add the text. Go to the Text menu and choose one of the options. We discussed how to edit text in previous videos. Now let's add a button using a gradient. how to make a button with the help of gradient and its other functions. You can see by following the prompt on the screen. Great! Now, stretch all our elements on the timeline for 10 seconds. We will reduce in and out of animation of button as much as possible and add pulse to the pulsation. Also, to play the video, you need to add any animation, so let's move on to custom and set origin X, Y 50. Don't forget to save our banner by pressing Ctrl+S. Cool! Now let's look at the result. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Have a lovely day, and see you in the next videos.